Welcome to Mexico, a country brimming with natural wonders, cultural marvels, and breathtaking landscapes. In this travel video, we invite you on a journey to discover the 10 most beautiful places that showcase Mexico's diversity and allure. From ancient ruins to pristine beaches, from colonial towns to vibrant cities, prepare to be captivated by the sheer beauty and rich heritage of these remarkable destinations. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable adventure through the heart and soul of Mexico's most enchanting landscapes. Number 10. Teotihuacan. Let's begin our journey through time to Teotihuacan, an ancient city located just outside of Mexico City. This UNESCO World Heritage Site holds the remnants of a once thriving civilization. Explore the majestic pyramids, such as the Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon. Marvel at the intricate stone carvings and vibrant murals that adorn these ancient structures, depicting the rich mythology and cultural traditions of the Teotihuacan people. Number 9. Cabo San Lucas. As we journey to the tip of the Baja Peninsula, we reach Cabo San Lucas, a vibrant destination renowned for its stunning natural landscapes. Marvel at the iconic rock formation known as El Arco. Embark on a thrilling boat tour and bask in the sunshine on the golden beaches. Cabo San Lucas' blend of adventure, relaxation, and breathtaking vistas will leave you in awe. Number 8. San Miguel de Allende. Next, we visit San Miguel de Allende, a colonial gem known for its picturesque streets and well-preserved architecture. Wander through the cobblestone streets, visit the ornate Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel, and explore the vibrant art scene. San Miguel de Allende's cultural richness and charm have earned it a spot as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a favorite destination for artists and travelers alike. Number 7. Puerto Vallarta. Our next destination is Puerto Vallarta, a captivating beach destination nestled along Mexico's Pacific coast. With its sun-drenched beaches, turquoise waters, and charming cobblestone streets, Puerto Vallarta offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and warm hospitality. Take a leisurely stroll along the famous Malecon boardwalk, where the lively atmosphere comes alive with street performers, local artisans, and a myriad of restaurants and shops. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy and embrace the laid-back coastal vibes. Number 6. Copper Canyon. Prepare to be amazed by the Copper Canyon, a natural wonder that rivals the Grand Canyon in scale and beauty. Explore the dramatic landscapes, hike through the rugged terrain, and ride the legendary Chepi train for a truly unforgettable experience. The Copper Canyon's majestic vistas and rich indigenous culture will leave you in awe. Number 5. Mexico City. As we travel to Mexico City, immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and rich history of the country's capital. Explore the impressive museums, stroll through the iconic Zocalo Square, and visit the colorful neighborhood of Coyoacán. Mexico City's dynamic energy, art scene, and culinary delights will captivate your senses. Number 4. Tulum. Welcome to Tulum, a coastal paradise that blends ancient Mayan ruins with pristine beaches. Explore the archaeological site overlooking the turquoise Caribbean Sea, relax on the white sandy beaches, and snorkel in the vibrant coral reefs. Tulum's combination of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and laid-back vibes create a truly idyllic escape. Number 3. Guanajuato. Welcome to Guanajuato, a city that transports you back in time with its colonial architecture and colorful streets. Explore the winding alleys, visit the iconic Juarez Theater, and discover the fascinating underground streets of the city. Guanajuato's vibrant culture, artistic ambience, and UNESCO World Heritage status make it a true gem of Mexico. Number 2. Cancun. Next, we arrive in Cancun, a tropical paradise known for its pristine beaches and vibrant nightlife. Sink your toes into the soft, white sand. Swim in the crystal-clear turquoise waters and indulge in a variety of water sports. Cancun's natural beauty and lively atmosphere make it a dream destination for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Number 1. Chichen Itza. Our adventure stop in Chichen Itza, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the grandeur of the ancient Maya civilization. Marvel at the iconic El Castillo Pyramid. Explore the Temple of the Warriors and witness the fascinating astronomical observatory. Chichen Itza's architectural brilliance and historical significance make it an awe-inspiring destination. From the ancient ruins of Chichen Itza to the pristine beaches of Tulum, from the colonial charm of Guanajuato to the vibrant energy of Mexico City, each destination tells a story, showcasing Mexico's rich history, diverse culture, and natural wonders. Thank you for joining us on this virtual adventure through Mexico's breathtaking destinations. We hope this glimpse into the country's natural and cultural treasures has inspired you to embark on your own Mexican odyssey. Discover the magic, embrace the hospitality, and immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of Mexico's most beautiful places.